Welcome to this video on star delta starters. We will explore how this system effectively manages and tames the initial inrush current in three-phase induction motors. The core challenge when starting large motors is the initial inrush current. This enormous power spike is why a smart starting solution is essential for motor longevity and system stability. The starting current can surge up to 800% of the motor's full load current. This massive spike causes dangerous voltage drops, circuit tripping, and severe mechanical stress on the motor components. A star delta starter is a reduced voltage starter for three-phase induction motors. It reduces current by starting in the star configuration and automatically switching to delta when sufficient speed is reached. Direct online, or DOL, applies full voltage immediately, causing high electrical stress. The star delta starter, however, limits the surge by starting at 1/3 power, making it ideal for larger motors with lower initial torque needs. This curve illustrates the current during startup. Note the initial star peak, the transition "blip" when switching from star to delta, and the eventual steady current in the run phase. The sequence has 4 steps. First, main and star contactors close simultaneously. Second, the motor spins up with reduced current. Third, the timer triggers at about 80% speed. Finally, the star opens, delta closes, and the motor reaches full load current. In the star connection, the phase voltage drops to 58% of the line voltage. Mathematically, this reduces the line current to 1/3 of the delta value, providing a smooth, gradual acceleration. Comparing the two modes, the line voltage remains the same, but the star mode significantly reduces phase voltage and current. The primary purpose of star is to limit inrush current, while delta delivers rated torque. The core hardware includes the timer relay, which manages the transition time. Triple contactors handle the switching between star and delta, and the thermal overload protects the motor from sustained high heat. Star delta starters offer multiple benefits. They provide homeowner protection against voltage flickers, comply with utility regulations, are cost-efficient compared to VFDs, and increase equipment longevity by reducing heat stress.